developing and implementing an AI imagery analysis platform. So in order to understand how our technology and how it works and what is our unique value proposition, let me walk you through to our use case. And again, this use case is for insurance company, but it can be implemented to logistics company, construction company, automotive company, any company that needs really to process visual data, imagery data. It can be images or video. So as you can see here, in a very typical claim insurance process, there are multiple stages. And in each stage, the company needs to evaluate the data and use it for business use cases. One of the initial stages are damage inspection. And this is the insurance use case. And again, within image inspection, you need to take the visual data and extract information. Now, how are they going to do that? One of the options, of course, is to develop an in-house imagery analysis platform. And to do that, they will need to go through multiple technical stages, including data cleansing, collecting, labeling, training evaluation, and many other technical aspects which require a lot of people, dedicated resource, and eventually that will take time and a lot of money to do that. The second option, like any other company, they might consider to go for professional services. And again, it means that they will need to put in place some quality assurance. Of course, they will need to make some resource allocations. And one of the problems is service level agreement. Any professional services which is based on human is a very limited resource. It's not scalable, it's time consuming and very expensive. And this is exactly the outcome of using professional services. Now, let's see how ProjAIX helps them to solve this problem. We actually provide them the ready-to-use image analysis platform. So for this whole damage inspection process, and again, in their case, it's damage inspection. In other cases, it could be something else. Now they don't need really to do something special. Using the same workflow, the same business decisions, but without really spending a lot of money and a lot of resource to do the process and analyzing of imagery platforms.
So how do we solve the pain of processing and analyzing the visual data for our customers? Our core technology is ProjAIX Vision Engine. As you can obviously see in this photo, this car has damage, but what additional information which can help us make improved business and economic decisions may be extracted? Such additional information which the Vision Engine extracts may include car make or manufacturer, car color, the relevant car parts, the dent size and car types. So for the reason that repairing a Mercedes-Benz may cost more than fixing a Toyota, any of these classification can influence the time that it takes to repair the vehicle, the man hours required for it, whether it is a permanent damage, the damage cost calculations, and even the insurance premium or tax deductions. So here you can see the innovation of the Vision Engine. With a simple web-based workflow and robust API, ProjAIX enables the customers to pick the classifiers which they are looking for within the visual data that they would like us to process. So once the customer defines the relevant classifiers, ProjAIX Engine is ready to go and is running data cleansing, filtering, detection, recognition, classifications, and providing ready-to-use extracted information for different types of business use cases. Such business use cases may include automotive, insurance, logistics, constructions, and others.
Thank you very much. So the market for image recognition is tremendous. We see more and more companies using images for business intelligence. And automotive and insurance industries are really among the top of the image recognition technology, and we definitely want to be a leading player in this area. So why now and why ProjAIX? So as we said, more corporates using images, and we already have a solution, a proven solution for that segments. This is a little bit about our past performance. So as you can see, we start at the beginning of 2020, just before COVID-19 hits all of us, and still we managed to focus on track, bring initial design partners, paying customers, and we already have more than 25K MRR, and we're expecting to grow that in the next 9 months. So as for our technology progress, we're definitely going to extend it. We're going to the real time, and it might be even more once we are going to implement our solution with cloud providers such as Rackspace, AWS, NVIDIA, and more. In the past 3 months, we already engaged with tier 1 automotive customers, worldwide insurance companies, and global transport operators. Unfortunately, we can't put here the logos because most of the information is under NDA, but we're definitely excited to go on and bring more customers. Our business model is very simple. The more you process data, the more you pay. Most of our customers are recurring customers because they need the data for a day-to-day use and for the business workflow. And we work with small software companies, enterprise corporates, and cloud providers. So just to summarize, we aim to enable customers to use visual data for business intelligence, but still give them the ease of use, the codeless, the fast results, and most important, cost-effective solution. This is the team. We are a vast experienced team working in the high-tech industry for more than 50 years altogether, set up startup companies, working with technologies, and we are very excited to working with you guys if you are interested. So this is ProjAIX. We take you from the visual data to business decision, and it was a pleasure talking to you guys. Thanks.
Thanks.